playing Porn Sounds prank. I downloaded the sound.
Oh yeah.
Bro. Bruh, before you play the music, what's wrong with you? Man?
Oh, it's an ad. They know about me.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
No, it's an ad.
Advice about women, my guy.
No, bro.
Are you shy?
I'm not shy. It's just a question.
To be honest, it's been a while since I saw this guy with the.
Bro, I'm surprised too. I'm surprised, bro. Get out.
Bro, ya palelwa.
Get out, bro.
Bro, yo chin.
Fire. Just from getting fire.
The bros are even leaving, guys. It is. Hey guys, it's your boy Kucho Worldwide, aka Jad the Younger, aka the best and the true because of you, man. Ish, the bros are still out right now, but they're probably coming back in just a few minutes. So basically, what I wanna do, I'm just trying to prank the bros, man. Just wanna prank these brothers. So I'll be playing Porn Sounds prank just to see if these niggas, how they will react, you know. I'm just trying to catch their reaction. Hopefully they give me a crazy reaction. I downloaded the sound.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yes sir, as you can hear, man, they're probably coming back now. Let me just put the cam here, you know. Hopefully they won't see it. Yeah, hopefully they won't see it. Yep. Let's do it, bro. They're coming back now, I'm sure. Let me just act like I'm just vibing and shit.
Hey, my boy. What's up, my boy? Hey,
you guys took some time.
Oh, my guy, Hans, my
That
guy.
joint was issues fire.
Which one, my guy, you talking about?
The joint were rolling, bro.
Hey, my guy. But no, hey, talking about joints, hey, the hands.
We're trying to join the hands.
What about the hands?
Some hands like they get us up and some.
Right now?
Yo.
Okay.
So you're going to see hands?
No, like not like that.
All of us we go.
Look, these hands are groovies.
Okay,
They need us to at least get 200, at least 1,000. You understand?
Yeah.
So we can at least shy I'm a 6. Ice baguette, something like that. You understand? To keep the mood going. You understand, my guys? So I don't know how much you got on you, my guy.
Yeah, I think I got like 200.
200 straight up.
Hey, this guy's focused. This guy's so focused. Get the ball.
How much you got?
I got like 100.
100? Yeah. This guy.
I got 100.
Too many baby mamas. This guy's a pro.
Always tell him to use protection.
Yeah, he's protection. This guy's a problem. But it's cool, my guy. It's cool.
Yeah.
Since this one is
Just see what we
no, like since this one is our wingman. We need him.
Yeah, you need the guy.
It's our source.
You know.
He knows how to.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
How to shine out the
Yes, sir.
chicks. Yeah.
That's why I got like so many people.
But what about you? How much you got, man?
Hey, Sherlock,
Because
I don't know.
on me, I have 5, man.
Okay.
I'm willing to,
bro.
I'm willing to spend that.
the boys.
Yeah.
Now I don't have anything, but my car is
Security,
at home, so maybe if you can pass at my crib.
Yeah, maybe.
Now I don't have anything.
Because look, man, the hands are fire, my guy. You didn't see them. The guy saw them.
Yeah.
Hey, the hands are fire, man.
Yeah, these ones,
Hey,
bro.
the one for X. Hey, the one for X, yo. The one for
It's
X.
too much.
She's super, man. She's super.
Damn, bro.
Hey, but you see, right now we have to go home, ne?
Okay, let's plan now.
Nah, we're not planning, man.
Okay, yeah.
Planning is
Planning myself.
planning.
Just go with the flow.
Yeah, let's go
with the flow, ne?
Yeah, let's go with the flow. Play something,
Last time we
my
planned,
guys.
bro.
Play something. Now we have to
Let me
prepare.
actually play your song, bro.
Yeah.
Why do you have to play my song?
Oh,
man?
Joe, you
Just
know,
play some more.
this is my jam, you know. I wake up to this, sleep to this.
My guy.
In the twilight, it's me with this song, bro.
My guy.
This guy, when
Did he drop?
I mean,
he's about to drop it. I don't know.
Exclusives.
Yeah.
Let's hear it, bro. Because
Sometimes the people don't deserve it, you know. Time will come. Time will come. Yeah,
right.
time will come, man.
just play.
We're still polishing the.
Let's hear it.
Okay, bro. Let me.
And I trust
look
my
for the
guy.
song.
My guy, the thing is, you know,
I trust you.
it's hard out here. Hey, too many dope rappers, you know. Yeah, man.
Let me check the song.
Nah, competition for me is not, man. I do this shit for the love, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, my guy.
Easy.
It's not easy.
So, bro, I don't. Oh, yeah. I found the song.
Fuck, man.
Let's jam.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
No, it's a end.
Cap.
Oh, and Ed.
It's an ad, bro. Let me play the song.
Ass don't do that. Ass don't
It's a
do
song.
that.
Let me play the song. Let me play this. It's an ad, guys.
Bro. We're trying to vibe to the song so it can
guy.
activate us.
Let's play the music, guys.
Bruh. Before you play the music, man, what's wrong with you?
Oh, it's an ad. It's an ad. Like, put it an ad.
What's
How
wrong?
come, Brian Ed?
Bruh.
But the song's not out yet. How can it be an ad, bro?
Bro,
Guys,
nah. Okay. Let me ask you guys a question. What do you guys think about people like who watch porn?
That's messed up.
It's messed up. Yeah.
Can't hang with pussy news, bro.
are you gonna ask that question?
It's just, I know it's weird. I'm just asking.
My guy,
Why are you asking?
my guy. Check the stats, ne?
You're not on there, bro.
Check the world
Something's
population, ne?
connecting, yeah.
I'm sure it's 70%
Something's
women.
connecting,
I'm sure it's 70% women,
No cap,
30%
no
men.
bro.
How can you watch this?
I don't watch this, bro. Let's play music, please, guys, in peace.
Guys, if
Let's listen to music, bro. Obvious.
this one was just a freestyle, understand?
It was just a freestyle.
Yeah.
Nah, bro.
Back in the safe,
Get that OTP. The baby mama on me, but I'm fitting on my keys.
nephew Nate is getting big.
I'm a young OG.
Yeah.
They know about me.
Life a movie, go directed, just play your role.
From spending on a bed, I'm starting the hole.
This one, look, man, pause that shit. Nah, it's not so. Nah, boy, we still have a lot of work to do, man.
Yeah.
You see, right now, we're not just making music, we're making music for the people, you know?
Yeah.
We gotta educate the people before spending on a bed, I'm starting that.
Oh!
You know, niggas gotta know that. You know,
cap, bro.
niggas gotta know
We
that.
gotta
you
lose
know.
the focus.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
But like, guys, okay, what do you guys think about people like who masturbate and shit?
You again.
Hey, he's not Nick Shaw. He's just too easy.
You again.
What's with these questions, bro?
This guy is crazy.
What's with
Bro, this
this
guy's crazy. Of
Hey, what's wrong with
Wake up,
this
my
big
guy.
bro?
Wake up.
Are you dreaming, bro?
My guy, look, my guy.
B, what's wrong with bro?
Let me give you some gems. Let me drop some gems for you.
Yeah.
Do you need advice about women, my guy?
No, bro.
Are you shy?
I'm not shy. It's just a question.
To be honest, it's been a while since I saw this guy with the
Okay,
It's been a while, my guy. It's been a while.
and every
my
time
guy.
we're leaving is always the same guy. What's wrong, bro?
Why, my guy? What's the problem? Tell us.
It's just a question. It's nothing deep.
Something's wrong with you, man.
There's
We
nothing
suspect
wrong with
you. We suspect
Nah,
you.
bro.
Don't befriend your hand too much. Don't befriend your hand too much. It's gonna be a problem.
I wish I did a real thing, proper. I regret not doing it. I should have done it.
Guys, now I don't want to talk to you guys
Guy,
anymore. Money
look, my guy. No. Everybody used to. No, look, my guy. Everybody used to.
Leave me alone.
Everybody. Look, man. Look.
Bro, play some music.
My guy,
bro doesn't wanna play, bro. Play
Bo.
some shit, bro.
Bro, leave me
Asura
alone.
kawata bra kasuri bo ri go tsanela ri go thusha wena bra.
Tona-
Listen, my guy, listen. A woman just need a question. Can we smash? Yes or no? If she say no, it's not a bad thing, mos. It's not a bad thing, mos.
Yeah.
You go to another one. Can I smash? No. We go to another one. Eventually gonna get the one man to give you the cake, man. I'm
Sure,
telling you.
bro.
Look.
Bro, I don't want to listen to your advices. You guys don't understand. Let me watch my shit. Mind your own business, guys. I'm minding my own business.
Oh, so you're no longer playing?
Yeah, I'm no longer playing.
Bro, I want to play some music.
Bro, this guy's a master. He's a master hand.
He's about to go back.
What the fuck, man?
What are you watching,
What are you
bro?
doing, my guy? My guy. This guy must go out. This guy must go out.
Leave, bro.
You see your twin, man.
Bro, I'm surprised too. I'm surprised, bro.
Guy.
Can't live with such guy.
No, man.
Okay, guys, I've been suffering.
In front of us, my guy. In front of us, my guy. Come on, bro. The hands, you see the hands, name? The hands don't need someone like you. Sorry to say that, man.
Guys, I was thinking.
Get out of
Le phone ra sa move. I don't want to do phone.
Yeah. No more data. No more.
How many times ke passa tama. Like I'm passa basadi mona khane ore report.
Let me show you something. Before I leave, let me show you.
I'm gonna change the password.
I don't want to Arbo. Maybe we're just talk. Maybe for
he's watching porn.
Let me show you. Okay, guys.
Get out, bro. Such things, bro. I'm dying.
Listen, it's actually a prank. It's actually a prank.
You're watching porn, bro.
Here's the sound. It's a sound. Here's the cam, guys. No, here's the cam.
Camera agent.
Get a room at least. It's a prank. I was pranking on this. I don't watch porn. Prank the car.
Prank, guys.
Get a room. Next time get a room. I got you, niggas. I got you, niggas.
That's messed up, my guy. It's not even fun, my guy. You see how to do it.
Disgusting, bro.
You guys thought I was this. Okay, we vying now. It's a prank.
June, July, when the April Fool defeated, June, July, the April Fool defeated, December. Washala,
Guys, just a
brother. Will it shuffle never?
bro, it's a prank. Hey, guys.
What's my iPhone? Well, I be Shabanuchi. I'm going to prank.
Bro, it's just a prank.
Get a fire.
Mara, bro.
On a nice Saturday.
Bro, it's just a prank. Bro, it's just a prank, bro. Bro, no, listen, bro. It's just a prank, bro. Guys, it's just a prank. No, bro, it's just a prank. The bros are even leaving, guys. Guys, now I don't know anymore. What should I do? Bro, it's just a prank. Hey, bro. Hey, guys. Tell me, guys, if it's a W prank on them niggas. They're vying. It is what it is.